Coming around, turn number 4. Here comes the green. Green flag's out. Here we go. 21C in the front, 2K. 10G, 77. '21. 21C leading the pack. 2K in second. Come down the main stretch. 2K, 10G, 77K. There's your first 4 positions. We have a caution. We have it on turn 1. Coming around turn 4 again. Here comes that green flag. That green flag's up. Here we go. 21C, 2K, 10G, 77K. Those are your first 4. Here we go. They're coming down the back stretch, coming into turn 4, 21C. 21C, 2K, 10G. 14 is now taken 4th from 77K. '21C still in the lead. 2K still takes second. We got 10G in third. Looks like 14 and 10G are fighting for that third position. Here we go. Coming around the 4th. Green flag. Green flag. 21C taking off. 2K and 10G fighting for second. 77 in third. 4th. Make that 4th. '21C still leading the pack. We got 10G and 2K coming for second. 14 and 67 looks like 87 fighting for 4th. '21C still leading the race. Got 10G and 2K still fighting for second. 14 and 87 fighting for third, 4th. 0 in the infield. They're coming back around here. 21C still leading. 2K, 10G losing that third position. We've got a slide out. Number 6 on the infield. '21C still coming around. 2K is now in second. 10G in third. And we got 14 in the 4th. Got that yellow. We got a caution. Here we are. We're coming up on turn 4. We're fixing to start off again. Here we go with the green. Green flag's out. 21C's taking first again. 2K. We got 10G, 14 and 87 coming up. 21C pulling away. We got 2K and 10G will be fighting for second and third. Pretty good pace this round. 21C is still there. 87 and 14 are still fighting for that 4th position. 21C pulling away on a good lead. 2K catching up on the inside. Coming down the stretch. There goes 21C, 2K. 10G and 14 are fighting for that third position. 87 on the outside. It's a good fight for third position right there. 14 takes it. We got a yellow caution out. We got a yellow caution. It looks like 14 coming up on the outside down the main stretch. 14T. Here we go. We got that green flag going. Here we go. 21C, 2K, 10G, 14 leading the pack. 21C taking off. 2K looks like 10G and 14 fighting for that third position. There goes 21C taking off. 14 and 87 playing bumpers. Looks like you got 21C, 2K, and 14. 14 and 10G fighting for it. 10G on the outside. 21C, 2K, and 14. '21C with a substantial lead. Here comes 2K on the inside. 14 and 87 fighting for third position. There we go, 21C catching up to the tail end. 21C about to lap number 6. 21C laps number 6. 2K. We've got a yellow. We got caution over here. Caution on turn 3. Get these guys in line. Here they come around. There's a green flag. 21C taking off as he did before. 14 taking second, and then 2K comes on the inside. 87's taking fourth. See if we can keep him on the track this time. Got 22R up in the top. Second turn. .21C, 2K, 87 just took 14 for third place. Still moving into that third position. Here comes 21C coming off that turn 4 pretty hard. 2K and 87. Got 57 and 62 playing some sheet metal fender benders. It's like 10G went up on the high side, slowing down, coming onto the inside. 21C back around. 87's now second. 14 and 2K. 87 fighting with 21C for that first position. 21C takes off. There we go, neck and neck. 21C still in the lead. 87 second. Got 14 following up in third, and 2K is in fourth now. .87 and 21C fighting it out on the fourth turn. Here we go, coming around the fourth. Really battling it out. 21C pulled that lap off. There he goes. 87 takes the lead for the first time here. Coming into turn 4, 87 is taking the lead. 87's taking the lead, 21C in second. Good race, gentlemen, good race. Here they go, coming back around. 87 still holding position, 21C's falling back to second. It looks like 14's going to be in third. We got a yellow flag. We've got a caution. Fourth, and we're hitting the green flag. Here comes the green flag. 21C and 87 battling it out in that first place position. Here we go. 57 in third, 14 coming around the outside, took third. 21C and 87 really battling it out for that first position. Here goes 14. .21C they're coming around the fourth turn. Here we go. 21C, 87, a little bit of fender bender, getting it. 21C still leading. Here they're coming around the back fourth. Here we go. 21C, 87, 14, 57, 62. 14L. Got 22C. 22R. Here we go, 21C coming back around. These guys are really after it. 21C, 87, still fighting it. 14 in third. 57's coming up in fourth. Oh, 21C, we got 8, he's down. He turned it. 87 now in the lead. Checkered flag just went out. 87 pulls it off.